What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Chevrolet Bolt Smart Key remote fob. This Chevy Bolt key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this button here on the side of the fob that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we have the key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, this is that slot that this emergency key just slid out of. What I'm going to do is take my key and stick just the very end of it in there. I'm only going to be putting probably about that much in there. What's on the other side of my fingers. Put your key in there and then I'm just going to pry up like this. And as I do that, you can see it pops this back cover off. Go ahead and pull it the rest of the way apart, and in the back half we see our battery right here, and I'm just going to use my key to help get under the edge of the battery and pop it out of that holder. Then I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side down, positive side down. Snap it down into that holder, and then we can snap the two halves back together, slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.